Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. And in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to set a reminder for any email in Gmail using a smart workaround that keeps you organized and on top of your priorities, all with the help of Google Tasks. Let's dive right in. First, go to gmail.com and log into your account. Once you're in your inbox, locate the email you want to be reminded about. This could be a deadline, an event, or a message you want or need to follow up. Now, click on the email. A menu will appear. From there, choose Add to Tasks. Right after selecting Add to Tasks, a task sidebar will automatically appear on the right side of your screen. You will now see your new task, which is directly linked to the email you selected. This makes it super easy to revisit the message later without searching for it again. Now, let's turn this task into a proper reminder. Look closely in the task panel. You'll notice a small calendar icon beside your task. Click on that calendar and a date selector will pop up. Pick the specific day you want to be reminded. It could be later, today, tomorrow, or any future day based on your needs. Once selected, simply click Done. Just below your task title, there is a field labeled Details. This is where you can type a quick note, maybe a short reminder about what action to take or any important context related to the email. It's a great way to stay clear on your next steps when the reminder comes up. And remember also, guys, if you also use Google Calendar, your Gmail tasks with due date will automatically sync and show up there. This gives you a visual reminder along with your usual calendar events, keeping everything in one place. And that's it. Even though Gmail doesn't have a built-in email reminder button, this Google Tasks method works like a charm. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.